Neptune Diamond Platform 7 glows like a city in the abyss, preparing to produce 50,000 carats of diamonds daily.
Built over a decade, Neptune Diamond Platform 7 is the largest human-made structure on the ocean floor.
At 4,800 meters beneath the South Atlantic, sunlight cannot reach Dayan, yet humanity ventures where few have gone.
The only entry to the abyss du Wem, a docking sequence that cannot be rushed.
At 4,800 meters, every breath and every bolt matters. One mistake is fatal.
800 meters of pressurized spine, the artery of Neptune Diamond Platform 7.
Three operators oversee a facility more complex than any surface city.
Powered by Earth itself. Neptune Diamond Platform 7 harnesses forces millions of years old. Before extraction begins, AI survey systems map every square meter of the ocean floor with absolute precision.
Not all rock is equal. Only the highest concentration of diamond deposits justify extraction at this depth.
Each extraction arm, engineered to withstand crushing pressure, reaches into the ocean floor. At 4,800 meters, only diamond-tipped tools can cut the rock that holds the diamonds themselves.
From rock and sediment, the first separation reveals the raw diamonds, still unrefined but unmistakable.
Sealed against immense pressure, the conveyor system transports raw diamonds across 2 kilometers of ocean floor.
Every extraction is measured veil. Over 2,000 environmental parameters ensure balance is never broken.
On target, 50,000 carats of deep ocean diamonds will be extracted in the next 24 hours.
Here, there is no day or night, only continuous extraction in eternal darkness. The raw diamonds are collected, unrefined, untouched, ready for the transformation ahead.
The transformation begins. Raw, deep ocean diamonds enter a system built to refine perfection under pressure.
300 tons of force marrying, not to break the diamonds, but to free them.
Vibration reveals what weight alone cannot toss. Diamonds separate themselves from everything else.
4 lines, thousands of diamonds, one facility Teption, operating at a scale never seen before.
The AI sees flaws invisible to the human eye and sorts perfection from possibility in milliseconds.
What is not diamond returns to the ocean, unchanged, unharmed.
From raw stone to pure crystal mirror, the diamonds are ready for their final transformation.
Before perfection is created, every diamond must be aligned at the atomic level.
Every cut is calculated before it happens, guided by the diamond's own internal structure. The first cut defines everything, and there is no room for error.
Polishing doesn't change the shape, it reveals the brilliance hidden inside. In milliseconds, the system determines what the world will pay millions for.
Perfection Whitney, replicated thousands of times, every single hour. Billions in value, secured beneath 5 kilometers of ocean. Perfection, replicated thousands of times, every single hour. Billions in value, secured beneath 5 kilometers of ocean.
From the deepest darkness went to the highest levels of luxury carmines, the journey is almost complete.
From 5,000 meters below, the ascent begins.
Through pressure, darkness, and distance, the diamonds rise toward the surface world.
For the first time on humanity, they meet the light.
Extraction is immediate, Elvin. Security is absolute. From the ocean floor to the world's most powerful cities. Billions in brilliance, not only revealed in a single moment.
From raw crystal to timeless luxury.
From the deepest darkness on Earth comes the purest form of light.
In seconds, they move across the world, doubts, from one market to another.
Value is not measured in carats, but in desire.
A single diamond, owned by the few, desired by millions.
Control defines value, Clayton, and access defines power.
The truth begged. Supply was never natural. It was controlled.
Hidden in the depths, powering a world above.
What you see is only the surface.
But something doesn't match the system. Something bigger, deeper, hidden. What you saw before was only a fraction.
This wasn't just industry, it was control.
The deeper it goes, the more it controls. And this might only be the beginning. What's really hidden beneath the ocean is still undiscovered.